Pushing back protesters outside the court, riot police scuffled with human rights demonstrators, demanding the trial be abandoned, insisting the men accused were migrants, not people smugglers, victims of Europe's worst migrant disaster, not criminals. An hour later, the case was dismissed. For the 9 Egyptian men, their fight is over. The judge ruled Greece did not have jurisdiction to try the men as their ship sank outside Greek territorial waters.
The court today had to be very brave to issue this decision and to say that these people are not the smugglers. So now the narrative of the bad smugglers are not existing anymore. So we need to find who caused the shipwreck. The shipwreck was caused by action of the Hellenic Coast Guard and by European policies.
Many survivors say it was actually an attempt by the Greek Coast Guard to tow the Adriana that caused it to capsize.
We were 5 days at sea. The ship was broken, but we didn't drown. But when the Coast Guard placed a rope, then we went under the sea.
It's estimated up to 750 people were on board the fishing trawler when it sank on June 14, 2023, in international waters off the southwestern coast of Greece. The ship only had room for 400 people. It went down in one of the Mediterranean's deepest areas, making the recovery of the boat or those trapped on board all but impossible. There were just 104 survivors, mostly from Pakistan, Syria, Palestinian territories and Egypt, none of them women or children. The Adriana was sailing from Libya to Italy and was initially shadowed by the Greek Coast Guard. Greek authorities have rejected accusations it triggered the shipwreck. They insist the crew refused help from them and from nearby ships. But rights activists say Greek authorities caused the shipwreck while attempting to tow the boat out of Greece's zone of responsibility. A separate naval court investigation into the Greek Coast Guard's rescue attempts is underway. And these survivors no longer face life in prison. Charlie Angela, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.